Hey everyone, welcome back to Python 15 days challenge. Today is a day 6. We are going to discuss about the flow controls. In the flow controls, we have a conditions and looping statements. First, we go for the condition in this video. Here we have if else if, and nested if. But why we need to do this? So because is Python is executes the line by line the code. So now I want to change the execution flow. We go for the conditions. So, for example, we'll see write a program to print a is a smaller or not. I need to validate. So I can get the possible scenario is a is a smaller or not. Right. So execution flow I want to change. For that we go for the if else, nested if, and also elif. We'll see here example a equal to 20, b equal to 30. So I'm giving the condition if a is less than b, I'm printing the a is a smaller. Okay, I'm checking the condition. If condition is true, it will execute a is a small. Otherwise, it will not execute. So similarly, we'll go for the next question. Write a program to print a is a small or and also b is small or not. I need to check. So for that, I'm just go for the if and else. If a is less than b, I'm just print a is a smaller. Otherwise, b is a smaller. Right? If condition is false, obviously else statement it will be executed. So now we'll go with another example. We'll take a three variables. Okay. So how we can achieve with the three variables? I need to find this a smaller one. So how I can do using the LA. Okay. So A is a 20, B is a 30, and C is a 60. And I'm going for this condition if A is a less than B and A is a less than C. So it means if condition is true, then A is a smaller, right? And after that, I need to check whether is a B less than with a C or not. So for that, I'm going to use the one condition is a false. Again, I want to check with the next condition. We go for a elif. So B is less than C. I'm checking with that condition. If condition is true, B is a smaller. Otherwise, obviously C is a smaller.